Hi, today I will introduce our wheel lockers. Fulfilling customers' safety concerns and requests, Hongsheng produced 4 anti-thief wheel lockers that fasten wheels at the same time, protecting them from thieves. This is the A-type, auto pattern type, and this is B-type, tuner pattern type, and this is C-type, auto pattern plus spinning sleeve type, and this is D-type, tuner pattern plus spinning sleeve type. C and D have the better anti-thief performance because our spinning locking nut or bolt comes with an affixed free spinning sleeve, which will spin when trying to move it with pliers. Placed on a wheel, it is nearly impossible to remove the lock without the plug keys. All wheel lockers require a special key for installation and removal, coming in a variety of key patterns that are forged into the keys and the lockers. Look, many patterns can be selected. Also, each key has the key code. The key and the lock fit perfectly, neither tight nor loose. There is no gap between each other. The yellow rings like a tour guide. Helpers match both key and lockers more quick in a small range. All surface treatments have chrome, decrement, zinc, black chrome, and color electrophoretic, and also titanium, and so on. Look at this chrome. We promise chrome coating passed over 72 hours neutral salty spray testing, and black chrome passed 96 hours neutral salty spray testing. Very hard to rust. All wheel lockers can be packed in 4 lockers plus 1 key, 4 lockers plus 2 keys, 5 lockers plus 1 key, 60 lockers plus 1 key, and so on. Most popular packing is blister with color card. We could print client's logo and address in the color card. You could also choose color plastic box. Color could be red, blue, black, yellow, and so on. The back side could be put sticker, which print your information. We could make new packing as the requirements. In short, good anti-thief and anti-rust performance, many patterns and packing ways for your choice. The key and lock match perfectly. So many advantages. Don't waste your time. Please contact us now. Bye bye.